Alright, welcome back to the Academy. In this lesson we're going to talk about how we organise our programs and courses into products that we can distribute and sell to our prospects and clients. So now we have built our course, the next thing we want to do is add the course into a product. When you click on the Products tab, you'll be taken into a Products dashboard, which will give you the opportunity to build a new product. You're going to give the product a name. Now, if it's just one program that you're selling, you might call it the program name, or if it's a bundle, you might call it the fitness package or fitness bundle, or whatever it is that you might decide to choose as your product name. In this example, we've just got one course called the Shred for Life Fitness Program, so we're just going to call this product Shred for Life Program. You can add an image or bundle package image of your product or program that's going to go into here. Then we're going to give the product a description, and this will be viewable to your prospects and clients on your shop page, your product page. So you could copy and paste your course description here, or you might put something that's a bit more attractive and seductive to get them to take action on purchasing your course. Once you're happy with your description, you can scroll down and select the pricing. You can select a one-time payment, a subscription payment, which is a reoccurring revenue, or you can choose to give it away for free. We're going to select one-time payment. We're going to choose 500, set the tax type, and then down here you're going to select which programs and courses are included in this product. So if you have multiple courses and products, you might include more than one. We're just going to use one product for one course, and we're going to publish this product. So all we need to do now is go up to where it says visibility and click published. Choose a date you'd like to publish it on and hit save. Your product will now show up in your products dashboard. You can edit your product from here, or you can view the product, which will take you to your shop where your clients will have pricing options and be able to purchase your product. In the next lesson, we're going to cover purchasing your programs and courses from your client's perspective. So I'll see you then.